Elia, and Xavi. And as we don't have much time to speak, we are going to speak about the places you should visit if you go to London for the first time. The first place you should visit is Big Ben. This tower that has a four-faced clock was built at Westminster in 1288. Big Ben is the nickname for the great bell of the clock placed at the north end of the Palace of Westminster in London. It also refers to the clock or the clock tower. This tower is the place where British people celebrate New Year.
Another monument that you should visit in London is London Eye, one of the most observation wheel in the world. London Eye is on the south bank of River Thames and close to Big Ben. It was opened in 2000 and a lot of people visit it every year. The well carries 32 stale passengers capsules and one revolution takes about 30 minutes. It's very big and impressive, and when you stay into the passengers capsules, you can see all the city. Since 2005, the Eye has been the point of London's New Year celebrations, with fireworks fired from the well itself.
To change your routine of visiting touristic places as museums and monuments, you can go to Oxford Street. Oxford Street is a major public way in the city of Westminster in London. There are over 548 shops. Oxford Street is the busiest and the most dense shopping street in Europe. The shops we can find in this street are not expensive shops as Primark, Zara, Nike, etc. In Christmas, we can see these streets decorated with festivity lights. This tradition started in 1959, and every year a celebrity turned on the lights. Last year, the celebrity was Jim Carrey. And that's it.